Okay, tonight we're over on a place that's not huge but not tiny. That's the grain cart back there. We're just opening up this field to get trucks in here. I don't know if you can see that. Combine's flashing up there. That's a 9770 STS, got 12-row 30-inch head on it. You can see the big path that leaves. What I am driving is an 8640 four-wheel drive tractor. As you can see, it's got all the 8 tires. And that back here is a Brent 1080. It holds close to well, around 800 bushels what it's supposed to hold in the manual, but we can't never get that on there, so we just say it holds 3 combine dumps. That's pretty fancy CB right there. That's the planter monitor. I don't know what that box is. Let's see, we'll just cruise on down along here. And there's some of our beans over there. And I don't know if you can tell, but we're in the big city of Marshall, Missouri. There's the road over there. You can see a car going down there. And we farm ground on both sides of the road for a couple miles. We're probably at about, well, I don't know. And right now, there's the edge of this field, and then there's another one over there. But I'm not sure, but I am sure. This piece here is in city limits, back up there. Hold on, I'm backing up here. Trying to figure out what he's doing. Picking up some radio signals on there on the CB. Sounded pretty goofy. But, yeah, that's all I really got to say. We only run one combine, but when you're taking it 12 rows at a time, it moves pretty fast. But yeah, okay. Please rate, comment, subscribe.